Hello, my name is Amit Garg with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video is about how to add route patterns in the Communication Manager. I have logged in the set prompt of Communication Manager with the release 6.0.1. Now use this command list route pattern and press enter. In the output, you can see the list of configured route patterns in the system. For example, route pattern 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, all these route patterns are already configured in the system. Now press F1 to cancel this command. Now to add the route pattern 2 in the Communication Manager, use this command change route pattern 2 and press enter. Now in the output, pattern number 2 is the route pattern number. In the pattern name field, you need to define alphanumeric name for the route pattern. For example, my route pattern name is test route. Now the SCCAN is available only if enhanced EC500 is enabled for the system. By default, the value will be N. The secure SIP field is used only when the call is routed to a SIP trunk group. By default, the value for secure SIP is N. Now the group number is the trunk group number associated with the routing preference. You can enter trunk group between 1 to 2000. In my case, the group number is 1. FRL is facility restriction level associated with the group routing preference. The calling party FRL must be greater than or equal to this FRL to access the associated trunk group. In my case, the FRL is 0. In NPA, that is numbering plan area, you can define 3-digit NPA or area code for the terminating endpoint of the trunk group. You can leave this field blank for AAR calls and tie trunks. In the prefix mark, you can enter the number between 0 to 4 or you can leave this field blank. In my case, I am leaving this field blank. Hop limit is the number of hops for each routing preference. These are the options available for hop limit. Toll list. This entry is not required if you are using AAR calls. And for ARS calls, you can enter the number of ARS toll table associated with the terminating NPA of the trunk group. Number delete digits. You can delete some of the digits here. Use this field to modify the dial number so an AAR or ARS calls route over the different trunk groups that terminate in the server or in the switches with the different dial patterns. You can enter the number between 0 to 28 or you can leave this field blank. Inserted digits. You can enter the digits you want to insert for the routing. Below are some of the options available under Insert Digits field. DCS/QSIG internetworking enable or disables the DCS/QSIG voicemail internetworking. This feature is available only if internetworking with DCS is enabled for the system. IXC, that is Inter-Exchange Carrier, identifies the carrier and used for the calls that route via IXC. The options available for IXC are user and none. BCC values, that is bearer capabilities class, identifies the type of call such as voice calls or different type of data calls. Usually we need not to play with these settings because they are kind of advanced level settings. So before making any changes in BCC values, you need to verify it from the support documents. The field TSC allows feature transparency on DCS plus calls and QSIG call completion. By default, the value will be N. ITC, that is information transfer capability, identifies the type of data transmission. Below are the options available under ITC. Service/feature. In this field, you can enter up to 15 characters to identify the service or feature carried by the information element in a call in this route pattern. Number digits subaddress. This feature is available only if ISDN feature plus is enabled for the system. Numbering format specifies the format of the routing number used for the trunk group. This is only applicable to ISDN trunk groups. LAR is look ahead routing. Below are the options available for this field. Now press F3 to submit. Now use this command display route pattern 2 and press enter. In the output, you can see that route pattern number is 2 and the name is test route. This is the route pattern that we have added in the communication manager. So this is how we can add the route patterns in the communication manager. Thank you for your time today. We welcome your comments, questions and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.